Let's talk about something that happens slowly. So slowly that most teams don't notice it. Testing drifts away from the product. As a tester, you're constantly trying to keep up. You follow the project, you track requirements, you link tests, you update reports, you make sure coverage looks right. You do what the process expects. And somewhere along the way, something gets lost, the product itself. You stop asking simple questions. What is this product, really? Is it a car? Is it a banking app? Is it an online shop? What is the user actually trying to do? Instead, focus shifts to requirements, to use cases, to links between documents, to reports that look clean and complete. Testing becomes internally consistent, but externally disconnected. You test your component, or your feature, or your assigned scope, and you do it well, but you stop seeing how it fits into the whole, how the product is actually used, how people interact with it under real conditions. This is how strange things start to appear. Tests that technically make sense, but describe situations that would never happen in production. Use cases that are valid on paper, but impossible in real usage. Scenarios that exist only because they satisfy a requirement, not because they represent reality. At some point, testing starts serving the process instead of the product. Coverage numbers go up, test counts increase, reports look impressive, but confidence doesn't. This isn't laziness, and it's not incompetence. It's what happens when attention is redirected away from purpose. When the question becomes, did we test everything, instead of, did we test the right thing? A tester can easily hide inside the process, inside requirements, inside traceability, inside documentation. Everything looks correct, but the connection to real usage becomes thinner. And the most dangerous part is this: nothing immediately breaks. The product might still work, so the drift continues until something fails in a way nobody expected. Not because it wasn't tested, but because it was tested without remembering what the product is for. Good testing constantly pulls back. It zooms out. It asks, how would someone actually use this? What would matter if this failed? What would be unacceptable in real life? Those questions don't always map cleanly to requirements, but they map directly to quality. Testing doesn't exist to complete documents. It exists to protect the product. When that purpose is forgotten, testing becomes busy, measurable, and safe, and quietly ineffective. That's not a failure of testers. It's a failure of focus.